Hi all, this is going to be a quick video. This is more of a crash course and an educational awareness video on where and how to not find Blu-ray Remux files and why you should not download it because of many reasons which I'll be covering today. Now let's get right into it. I don't want to waste much time. This is a website which will or will not give you the movies you are searching for, and you don't have to register to do anything. And I am against downloading movies which is not safe for you guys, so keep that in mind. And I'm just going to show you why using this website is not that great. So if you have understood, let's get started. You need a VPN. Once you have a VPN, you have to ensure that you are no longer in your place and get connected to somewhere else. Once that is done, this is the website you have to go to. Now I'm only teaching you to understand the sound format, example Dolby True HD or Atmos or DTS Master Audio or Blu-ray Remux files. I'm just teaching you how to find them. Okay, now for that you have to end up registering. And what you have to do is, once you are in this column, just translate it to English. Okay, once again I'm going to remind you, this is not a crash course on how to pirate or something. This is completely to understand the audio formats again. Okay, name can be anything. Name is going to be, let's mention hello land and see if somebody has taken. Okay, nobody has taken. Password can be something. Email is a funny one because you can give something in your email and it will still take. So what you're going to do is, you're going to remember the name, you're going to remember the password, and you fill all the rest. All right, once you do it, country, wherever you want. Now just translate and see what they're telling. Yeah, you can use this. Go to login, whatever you have given, just yeah, I don't know Russian, guys, so bear with me. I just have to give this information. All right, okay, you know what, I forgot the password I just set, so bear with me for a minute. This should work, but I don't remember the password I set. We'll just go back, we'll do this again. I don't want to I want to keep my password. We'll try again. We will just do okay, email is this UBS country 92. All right, yeah, password. All right, I agree to terms. Okay, what we're going to do is, we're going to log in. We're going to use the same thing. Come on. 8HY. I'm sorry it took a while, but it works. So this is how you just log in. Once you log in, you can then go ahead, click on home. You have a lot of different columns here. Now these are where you can find what is required, which in our case is sound format and audio format, which I'm going to talk to you about, which is in the UHD section. Now you don't have to necessarily go from here, you can search whatever you want, but in my case, since I am showing you something which is relevant, now this one 7 is a recent re-release of a remastered print. Now you will see a word called as Remux. Anything to do with Remux or Blu-ray Remux is what you have to keep in mind. Right now, Twilight, it is a Remux, and Blu-ray Remux for 7 is also there. You go inside. Once you are in, you will see the details, which is including the audio formats. This one has two audio formats. One is a 7.1 lossless audio format, which is around 5.4 Mbps. This is what you want to keep in mind. Again, another 5.1, which is at 4 Mbps. Again, a great thing. So basically, this is how you find Remux tracks. What you also do is you go to your main home page, search whatever you want. In my case, I'll just type Angata. I'm not sure if Indian movies will be there. It is there. You can just explore on this, but what I would recommend you is just type any movies you want to download, and once you find it, you're then going to click on here, which is the size, and you're doing all this just to find out the Remux track and if the audio files are there. So people who really understood what I'm talking about all this time, I hope this helps. And that's pretty much it. There is nothing much about this video. Keep in mind, you want to find the original track in English if it is in English, and if the file size is anywhere above 50, if it is Remux, right, go ahead and download. Anything you see as BD Remux or Blu-ray Remux, you have the right file. Alright, I hope this helps, and I will see you in another one.